Hey, welcome everybody. My name is Cheryl Coco, Vice President of Marketing, and today we have Royaltie founder Justin Bellobaba with us, as well as some special guests. I want to make sure that you guys are all here with me. Make sure that you comment, tell us who you are, where you're from. Make sure that you guys are sharing this video out. Today will be one of our most exciting updates as Royaltie continues to grow as a leading tech company. Today we're going to be discussing the Royaltie back office, marketing materials, activation process, the Upline platform, its current functionality, and more features to come in Upline. This past week, we implemented a new activation process to ensure that new customers receive the upfront training they need to be successful. Every time a new customer in the United States orders ships, we invite them to visit royaltie.com/activate.html. I'm going to say it again, royaltie.com/activate.html, and watch a short video explaining our platform. After they watch the training video, they simply enter the email address associated with their account. We then activate their gems and send the customer a confirmation email. This lets our new customers activate and program their gems right away while also making sure that everyone gets taught the basics of our products, which is key to long-term customer success and satisfaction. Please feel free to let your teammates and customers know that this new activation process is up and running. I'm super excited about that. We are also, we're also very pleased to share with you that our back office is in real time as we have enhanced our compensation plan to include levels 3 through 6. You can also see volume from those levels as well in your current back office. It's our goal to continue to improve the back office and show even more transparency as a company, and we will continue to make improvements in the coming weeks. Now to talk about some marketing materials. We're very excited for you guys to share with you some brand new marketing materials that are available to you all right now. You can find all of these materials I'm about to show you in your back office under the training tab and then marketing materials. I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can actually see where you can find them and then kind of give you guys a preview as well. Are you guys excited about that? I hope so. Okay, let me share that screen. Okay, so right now you guys should be seeing my screen, and over here, bottom left-hand corner, kind of looks like a library book. That's your training section. You're gonna click on that tab. And right here, you're going to see it says link to affiliate marketing materials. Okay, go ahead and click on that link too. When this pops up here, give it a minute, you'll see a folder above all this stuff here. You'll see a folder that says Royaltie Marketing. Go ahead and click on that folder, okay? When you do, you're going to see marketing materials for Uplink Pro, Uplink Mobile, Upline, Gems, and the affiliate program. Okay, I'll give you guys a preview, okay? Let's look at the Uplink Mobile right now. You can see that we offer these in both JPEG and PDF. If you download the PDF right to your computer, you also have editable fields so that you can put in your information, which I think is super cool. Let's check it out. So this is a trifold for the Uplink Mobile. Really nice. You guys should go back there and really explore. These are super awesome. So this is one of the marketing materials that we have. Come back here for you guys. You guys want to see one more, right? Let's see what we got. Let's go over to the Upline app, and I'll click on this one for you. And you could also see the Upline app trifold, super colorful, really awesome place to put your information. Love it. And once again, I encourage you guys to get in there and make sure that you are checking out all of the amazing marketing materials. I'm going to come back, okay? All right, I see some of your comments. I love that you guys are excited about that. These are meant to help you build your business. So add your personal information, share them on social media, print them out, or share them in person. They're super awesome. So with all of the fabulous things that I just announced, I'm excited to say one of my favorite lines, but wait, there's more. Please allow me to introduce our Royaltie founder, Justin Villalobos. Justin, you're on.
Hi, everybody. Great to be here. Thanks, Cheryl. I am so glad that all of you could join today's live update, especially today. I guarantee you will not be disappointed by the news we have to share. To me, what I'm about to share with you is the most important announcement we have ever made, period. Because it signals the beginning of a major shift in who we are as a company. Now, rest assured, I have never been more excited about the future than I am right now, and I'm confident that when I'm done speaking today, you will feel exactly the same way. When I founded Royaltie in January 2017, my goal was to introduce an amazing new marketing innovation to solopreneurs and small business owners. That was the beacon, or as I called it, the gem. And within a few months, as you know, the business exploded. We were deploying, 100,000 gems in dozens of countries through a network of thousands of affiliates. But I knew that that wasn't enough. So very quickly, we moved to acquire the Inigo business last summer, a platform that makes it possible to create landing pages and digital business cards anywhere, anytime, and broadcast that content from your gem. We were the first company to do that. But I knew that that still wasn't enough to build a world-class company. So we developed a concept, the first people to develop this concept, Mobile Guest WiFi, which allowed any business owner to create a guest Wi-Fi network using a tiny wireless router and plugging in their smartphone. We are still the only company offering this product. We added more models of gem, the 400-meter gem, the 1,000-meter gem. We added a pro Wi-Fi option for storefront businesses. We created a proprietary search engine called UPLOOK to help automatically populate, the contact information from anyone you meet. But all of those innovations are still not enough to build a world-class technology company for the long term. Make no mistake, our products can absolutely help any business owner be successful, but I was still searching for the really big idea. Last autumn, we had that big idea, and we spent the next 9 months building it. And on August 1st which is 37 days ago, we released a beta version of the Upline platform to all of our Royaltie customers. The problem that Upline solves is absolutely enormous. Independent salespeople around the world, network marketers, realtors, insurance brokers, car salespeople, and so many more. 250 million people worldwide have no software platform to help them manage their sales or effectively communicate with their teams. They're using free tools like Facebook groups and WhatsApp and spreadsheets. And as a result, the failure rates in this world are extraordinarily high. Like in network marketing alone, the failure rate is over 90%. What independent salespeople need is a simple system to track and analyze sales data for yourselves and for your teams. But that's not all. You also need a great way to communicate with your entire team so you can make important announcements and know that everyone gets your message. And you need a way to organize and share files, videos, presentations, scripts, other marketing materials. And this is the trickiest of all. You need all of those tools integrated seamlessly. You need to be able to manage multiple companies or opportunities that you're working with and keep them all separate. And all of this needs to be extremely affordable. What I've just described had never been built. If you were to go out and license a sales management tool like Salesforce, a communication platform like Slack, a file sharing system like Dropbox, and you had a team of 100 people, you would be paying more than $60,000 a year. Obviously, that's a total non-starter, and the result is the problem that I'm describing. Today, 250 million independent salespeople use basically no professional sales or team management or team communication tools at all. That is a giant problem, and we built Upline to solve that problem. Because it's so ambitious and so different from Royaltie's proximity marketing products, we even created a new company just to keep things separate. And as I said, 37 days ago, we launched the Upline platform to our Royaltie customers. We had a few bumps as expected, but overall, things have gone extremely well. You are Royaltie affiliates. You've created more than 300 teams. You have added more than 250 other companies to our database, including many of the major network marketing companies and real estate organizations and many other well-known companies around the world. And without any kind of external promotion on our part, we've been adding more than 100 new users every single day. And this is big, by the way. Earlier today, I want you all to know, because this just happened, we added the amazing new content feature, which allows you to share an unlimited number of files with your team. That is available right now on desktop. Right below the chat feature, you can go and you can see that for yourself. I encourage you to check out this content feature and start sharing files with your team. Scripts, images, videos, links, whatever you want. It is super intuitive and it is an absolutely awesome feature. Also, as promised, about 2 hours ago, we pushed the new sales goals feature to Google and Apple to review. So this, if you remember from our last live, this will allow you to set personalized sales targets for how many new leads you want to generate, how many new customers you want to acquire this month. And as a team leader, it will also allow you to see how each member of your team is progressing towards their monthly goals. We think that this will be extremely motivating in terms of creating personal accountability to your own targets, but also allow leaders, which many of you are, to be more effective in your coaching, your mentoring, and helping every member of your team succeed. So we will announce the second that Google and Apple approve the new app version that we push to the stores. It could be as soon as tomorrow. We hope to be able to make that announcement in the next 24 hours. So my point is, these new features are in large part because of your input. Our Royaltie affiliates, this is literally why we did a beta release. We wanted to learn from all of you about the kinds of things that you want us to build. You're playing a hugely important role in guiding the product roadmap. You've made hundreds of helpful suggestions that we are rapidly implementing. This coming month, for example, so our focus for September is on developing and implementing dozens of custom settings to help you manage privacy, to restrict access to your teams, to be able to customize your chat notifications, and more. So that's directly the result of the feedback that you're providing us. But of all the suggestions that you made over the last month, there was one piece of feedback that truly, honestly surprised us. And we heard it from literally hundreds of you. And this feedback that we heard from so many of you is the purpose for today's live broadcast. The suggestion that you made after hearing it over and over and over and over has caused us to alter our fundamental strategy for the way that we are planning on taking this product to market. As you know, as I said, on August 1st when we launched, our original plan was to make Upline a free product. But what hundreds of you, our affiliates, said to us was, this product shouldn't be free. It's too valuable. I would love to be able to sell it. Because of your feedback, the team here at our head office, we thought long and hard about this. And in the end, I'm excited to tell you that I agree with you. While I believe that it still makes sense for there to be a free entry-level version so anyone can try it out, I agree with you that the Upline platform should not be free. And given that this great suggestion came from you, it seems only fair that royalty affiliates be able to sell Upline and have those sales count towards your existing comp plan. So Royaltie will continue to be the exclusive provider of Gems and Guest Wi-Fi devices. Plus, and this is the big news, as of today, Royaltie is now the first and only network marketing organization permitted to sell the Upline platform. Here's how it will work. If you go to the Upline website, which is upline.app, you can see that we've already updated the new pricing for this platform. We have an unlimited license on Upline for $59 a month. This unlimited license, we call it the leader license, lets you add as many companies as you want, as many teammates as you want, unlimited chat, unlimited analytics, unlimited landing pages, unlimited file storage in the new content section, plus many, 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 many more features to come. Starting right now, and for a limited time only, Royaltie will have the exclusive right to include an unlimited Upline license with any Royaltie subscription of $37 or more. So not only will your customer get the gems or the uplinks that they want to purchase, but as long as their monthly subscription is $37 or more, they will get that $59 unlimited Upline license included with their purchase at no additional charge. And they will be grandfathered at that $37 price going forward. So even if they decide in 3 years not to use their gem or their uplink, they will stay at $37 on the Upline platform for unlimited use. As I mentioned earlier, any Upline software sales that you make will count towards your royalty commissions. In the near future, you will be able to sell an Upline license on its own without any kind of hardware going with it, without the gem, without the Wi-Fi, a pure software subscription. That will be possible for Royaltie affiliates to also start selling in the near future. Oh, by the way, many of you were asking about inviting people onto the Upline platform, so I want to be clear about this. If for whatever reason someone is not ready to buy right away, send them an invite to the Upline platform so they can start a free limited trial. They will be tagged under you. And that way, if they make a purchase in the future, you will get credit for the sale in your royalty commissions. But to lock in that $37 price, they will need to actually make a purchase from Royaltie in the next few weeks. So take a moment, think about all the network marketers, all the realtors, the insurance brokers, and all the other independent salespeople that that need Upline for themselves and for their teams. You're going to hear some testimonials when I'm finished in a couple of minutes, but there are literally hundreds of millions of people out there who need this product right now. I've said this from the beginning of this adventure that we're on together, that we are not just a beacon company. We've always been a software company, and now you are seeing this vision become a reality. Beacons will always be an important part of our story, but our core product, what makes us special, what makes us different, is our software. What we've built is something that we own 100%. It's an asset that we control 100%. We get to decide, all of us together get to decide what we build next. Upline is an incredibly valuable, unbelievably ambitious platform. It combines a sales management tool, a communication platform, a file sharing system, and a landing page builder all in one place. And I can tell you there is so much more to come on this platform. And we're building this amazing platform to address a problem so big that it's almost hard to get your head around the scale of it. We're talking about 250 million people, independent salespeople like yourselves, who need Upline to be successful in achieving their financial goals. We're the only company in the world that has built anything like this, and you are the first people who will be able to sell this. And you'll be able to sell this for 40% less than the posted retail price. I hope you agree that this is an incredible opportunity for all of us together to change the way millions of people work and help them succeed in their careers. It's also a massive financial opportunity for all of you. We will be doing a ton of sales training webinars, product training webinars, and we're also going to be hosting webinars so that you can bring your guests and prospects on as well. So stay tuned for an announcement of that schedule. The first one is going to be tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Eastern. I look forward to hosting that and seeing all of you there. We will post a link when this is done, and we will email out that link as well. And with that, I'd like to thank you all for your time and your commitment and your energy and your optimism as we continue down this amazing road we're on. And I will pass this back to Cheryl. Thanks, everyone.
Wow, thank you, Justin. I see some of the comments there and the excitement that people have, and I'm truly excited to be a part of this. So with that being said, thanks again, Justin. I want to introduce you guys to some special guests that we have here. They want to kind of give their testimonial. I'm going to introduce to you all Sean Springs first. So make sure that you guys feel comfortable. Everybody, I'm bringing him up to the screen right now. Say hello, Sean.
Hi, everybody.
You're good to go.
Well, wow, that's a tough act to follow. That's pretty amazing news, Justin. First and foremost, I want to say thanks to you and Cheryl and the entire Upline team for all the work you guys have been doing over the course of the last few months. This is truly an amazing opportunity, but even more than that, it's a group of amazing people that have an amazing vision. So thank you very much. There's so many amazing features and capabilities that the platform provides. Honestly, it's hard for me to kind of narrow down the things that I'm most excited about, but a few of them really stand out to me. And the first one is the contact manager. And the contact manager tops my list specifically because without contacts, I don't have a business. Without constantly building my network, I don't have a business. And the second piece of the contact manager that's really intriguing and showing fruit from my efforts is the sales workflow that's embedded in it. So that's a feature I'm sure that everybody's taking advantage of. And anybody that's been in this business knows the level of success in your network marketing business is really dependent on the amount of people that you expose the opportunity to, and ultimately the amount of people that you continue to add to your network over the course of time. So this CRM really provides you the capability to do that. The second capability that's changing how I do business is the data aggregation tool, UPLOOK. And honestly, I'd never seen anything like this, so I was pretty amazed when pursuing cold contacts, I was able to pull in their email address and get a social profile to help me with my business development activities. Again, the constant development of your list and your relationships is key in building that business. And you know, being in the network marketing industry now for 5 years, I really recognize the value of that. Lastly, the third capability that I'm most excited about is the dashboard. And the dashboard, for me, one of the big struggles I've noticed over the course of my peaks and valleys in network marketing is when I have valleys, generally my follow-ups are faltering. So to be able to tag activities in the mobile platform with specific dates and notifications to follow up with specific individuals is a huge, huge benefit for me. So I don't want to take up more time. Honestly, I could talk about 6 or 7 of the capabilities that the tool and the platform provides, but I'll leave that to the other folks. Again, thank you to Cheryl and Justin and the entire Upline team. It's truly an honor to be on this call and an honor to have this as a tool to build my business. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much, Sean. We appreciate you. I really do appreciate you coming on here and giving your testimonial. I see some of the questions that are coming through, and I just want to be clear. If you are a current Royaltie customer, you won't be charged more for Upline. So I just wanted to make sure that that was clear before we introduce our next guest. Our next guest is Deneen Iverson-Kidd. Deneen is going to explain to you or talk to you guys about her testimonial. Welcome, Deneen.
Hello, can you hear me fine?
I can hear you great, thanks.
Okay, great. So, I just wanted to share that I think the app has been very helpful for me in that, this is all new to me, kind of. I've only been in internet marketing for a year, a little over a year, and being able to keep track of my prospects from the beginning until hopefully closing the sale is like so important. And I think without this app, I probably lost sales because of it. And with it, I'm able to keep track of it, everything so much better. And not just my royalty prospects, but my other businesses are now within the app. So I just find that so helpful for a newbie like me. And just a little over a year, I'm still considered a newbie, I think. But the app has been very helpful for me. And also being able to communicate with people on my team or in my downline as well. That's been fun and informative, and hopefully I've been able to help people out on my team as well. There's a little bit of a learning curve. I have to make sure. I think I could do more on the app, but I know that's just coming down the pike, and I'm excited about all the changes that are coming up right now. So, yeah. So, thank you for having me.
Thanks so much, Deneen. I appreciate your testimony, and you're doing a fantastic job. Way to go, Deneen. I also want to introduce to you guys one more special guest. I'm going to bring on Miss Laura Smith. Laura, are you with us? Give me 1 second.
I certainly am.
Hey.
Hey, how are you? How was everybody? What an exciting last 15 months we've had. As always, I'm always thinking out of the box. And when Justin and Cheryl introduced this to me a few months ago, you know what? I thought about all the people that are volunteers in their communities just like me. And I think about all those crazy group texts that we have going on. And you always have someone who's on a terribly odd schedule who answers them in the middle of the night. So when you think about the possibilities of using this in your volunteering events, everyone knows I work very diligently with the Dream Center in Charleston, South Carolina for our Cinderella Day, and we have over 100 volunteers. So using this for our upcoming year, I'm super excited. And another avenue that I thought back to that would have been wonderful had I had this tool was when I was the president of the Booster Club at my son's high school. It was like a small business. So we had volunteers from, all over the high school from every sporting club who would volunteer on the weekends. So just to be able to manage not only through text messaging, but through group text to keep all those contacts in one place instead of having an email list like back in the olden days. This tool is so valuable. Sunday school teachers, youth groups within your church. So I really want everybody to think outside the box when you're thinking about utilizing this new tool. And as all of us are avid direct sellers, we also are moving into new avenues at different times and periods. And I have several teams and several different companies that are quite large. So as I implement using our upline in each of these and controlling my list, which I can now combine to one large list and able to pick and sort who is in which team, it's just going to save me so much time. I don't have to wait to see who saw my Facebook post that's buried down at the bottom under welcomes and news and, positive affirmations. This can be streamlined for your super type A personalities that want just to focus in on the details, get it done, and move on with, the task that they're trying to perform that day. So I just encourage everyone to listen to Justin, listen to Cheryl, do these trainings, hop on. They're always fun. You're going to learn something every time. And as I like to tell people, every time you're on a training, you know what happens? Even if it's over and over and over again and you think, oh my gosh, I don't want to listen to this one more time, you know what that does? That makes your story better, and it makes you be able to articulate what we're doing over here at a higher level, so you'll be more impressive and everybody's going to want to join you. So I hope I didn't take too much time, but I just want to encourage you to think outside the box.
Thank you so much, Laura. Thank you. I want you guys to give every one of our special guests a big, huge thank you. Thank you, Laura. Thank you, Deneen. Thank you so much, Sean, for being here. I want to once again encourage you all to share out this video. Let everybody know all the great things that are happening here at Royaltie. Remember, you guys, if you're a network marketer, you're a leader. Whether you have one person or thousands of people in your downline, Upline offers you a way to become a more involved team leader through endless ways of communicating with your team. I encourage you all to attend the training tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. Please look for the link that will be posted shortly. With all of the excitement and more to come, I also want to share with you that our 5 new customers for $250 August promotion has been extended to include September. That's right. The 5 new customers for $250 August promotion has been extended to include September. Thank you all so much for being here. Make sure that you're sharing this video. My name is Cheryl Coco, Vice President of Marketing for Royaltie, where we are a tech company that has and will continue to innovate. Good night, everybody. Thanks again. Bye-bye.